Ladies and gentlemen, you already know this. The liquor gate probe in Delhi has taken a sugary turn. The armed fight has reached the courts of Delhi after Jail Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal filed a fresh application. So today, there was high drama in court over mangoes. The Delhi Chief Minister's Counsel Abhishek Manu Singhvi said that out of 48 meals that were sent to him from home, only 3 had mangoes. He also said that the ED's claim of Mr. Kejriwal having tea with sugar is a lie. Mr. Kejriwal's counsel also added that media reports that are saying that the Delhi Chief Minister is having aloo puri in jail is also absolutely wrong because he had aloo puri only once during Navratri. Mr. Singhvi is arguing and asking the court whether the court and the ED seriously believe that Mr. Kejriwal will actually risk a paralysis to get bail. However, the Enforcement Directorate countered Mr. Kejriwal's legal team. It showed the court the All India Institute of Medical Sciences prescribed diet for Mr. Kejriwal and said that there's a mismatch in what has been prescribed to him and what he has been consuming as part of home-cooked food. In the AIIMS report, the doctors have asked Mr. Kejriwal to avoid puris, bhujia, sweets, mangoes, bananas and potatoes. But Mr. Kejriwal, says the ED, is doing just the opposite and doing it deliberately so that he can be granted bail on medical reasons. The AAP is saying there's a conspiracy to harm the Chief Minister in jail.
इस षड्यंत्र में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने ईडी को तो शामिल किया ही हुआ है, बल्कि दिल्ली के एलजी साहब विनय सक्सेना जी और उनके माध्यम से तिहाड़ प्रशासन को भी किया हुआ है। और ये मैं आपको एक ऑर्डर दिखा देती हूं कि ये दोनों लोग जो तिहाड़ प्रशासन की तरफ से पेश हो रहे थे, ये एलजी ऑफिस के स्पेशल काउंसल्स हैं। उन वकीलों को एलजी साहब ने भेजा अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की दवाई का विरोध करने के लिए। तो जो सारे तथ्य हैं ये साफ साफ दिखाते हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की इंसुलिन रोकने की एक बहुत बड़ी साजिश चल रही है।
जब उन्होंने अपनी बेल याचिका लगाई और ये कहा कि मेरा शुगर लेवल बहुत बढ़ गया है, मैं डायबिटिक हूं और मुझे तुरंत जेल से बाहर निकाला जाए। ईडी का सनसनीखेज खुलासा सामने आता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जेल में जानबूझकर मीठी चीजें खा रहे हैं, आम खा रहे हैं, तली चीजें खा रहे हैं, मीठी चाय पी रहे हैं, जबकि वो डायबिटिक 2 हैं, जिनको ये चीजें कभी नहीं खानी चाहिए। वो ऐसा इसलिए कर रहे थे ताकि उनकी शुगर लेवल बढ़ जाए, इस तरह से करके मैनिपुलेट करके वो जेल से बाहर आए। आज से पहले आपने यह तो सुना होगा कि हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल्स जो होते हैं वो जेल से बाहर निकलने के लिए ऐसी मोडस ऑपरेंडी इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
The Delhi court heard both sides and has now reserved its order for Monday on Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's plea that is seeking access to insulin, and he also wants to hold daily 15-minute virtual meetings with his personal doctor in Tihar jail. My guest this evening, Harish Khurana, spokesperson of the BJP. Good evening, Mr. Khurana. Good to have you on the show. Abhishek Sudhir is a lawyer and a political analyst. Will be speaking on behalf of the Aam Aadmi Party. He was with us yesterday as well. And Dr. Purut Tyagi is a health expert. He's a doctor. And before I come to the politicians, I want to come to the doctor. Dr. Tyagi, I'm fairly certain you know the details by now. I'm not going to repeat the details that have been put in court and have been printed in every newspaper. I want to ask you whether the diet that Mr. Kejriwal is taking right now, having mangoes 3 days out of 48 days and having sugar-free in his chai and having aloo puri for 1 day in 48 days, actually is him trying to risk his own health to get bail. I know you're not a politician. I know you don't want to speak on the politics. Just tell me whether you think the claims that the ED is making are correct or far-fetched. You'll have to unmute yourself, Dr. Tyagi.
Yeah, can you hear me now? Am I audible?
I can. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, so
Yes, you're audible.
the first thing we have to understand is that food definitely has a very important role to play in anybody's management of blood sugar. Um, when it comes to the specific food, we specifically ask people to avoid very sweet fruits. Now, mango, as far as mangoes are concerned, I was hearing in the news that mangoes are in discussion. So, mango would have either a moderate GI or glycemic index, or a low glycemic index. What it means is that mangoes might have a moderate ability to raise the sugar after consumption. Aloo, again, it has a moderate to high GI. And sweet definitely has high GI. So anybody who is diabetic, we would ask them to avoid any foods with high glycemic index. We would certainly ask them to take a moderate their dose of mangoes. In fact, we would ask them to only consume mangoes if they cannot do otherwise. Otherwise, mango would definitely be
Okay, Dr. Tyagi.
restricted list of fruits.
Dr. Tyagi. Dr. Tyagi, the impression that was sent out was that Mr. Kejriwal was having mangoes every day. Today, the submission is, Dr. Tyagi, that he, in 48 days that he has been in Tihar jail, mangoes were consumed only on 3 days. Is the consumption of mangoes for 3 days out of 48, is the consumption of potatoes and puri for 1 day out of 48 days an indication that he's deliberately trying to up his blood sugar levels? Is that an indication at all? Can that happen medically? If out of 48 days I eat mangoes for 3 days, my blood sugar levels will spike to an extent where I'll need to go to hospital?
No. In my personal opinion, that would not happen. In fact, we frequently allow patients to consume prasad such as aloo puri or mangoes on specific days, just so that there is a variation to the diet. So I don't think 3 days out of 48 should be reason enough for alarm, or one consumption of aloo puri should be any reason to believe that somebody is deliberately trying to spike their blood sugar.
Harish ji, please come into the conversation. Good evening to you. You've just heard the doctor, the good doctor. He's not from the BJP. He's not from the Aam Aadmi Party. He's not from the Congress. He's giving you his medical opinion. You've heard his medical opinion. Ab aap mujhe bataiye. Do you seriously believe, and does the ED seriously believe, that someone would risk paralysis to get bail, sir?
Yeah, first of all, good evening to you and your viewers. And we are seeing another Aam Aadmi Party and a Kejriwal Aam Karname. You're talking about 48 days. We are just talking about what the in the court, the submission has been given for from 2nd April till date. That is almost 16 days. I was just going through that only. Since last 16 days, if I'm a diabetic,
correct,
I would avoid fruits. Fruits, whether of any kind, whether it's a banana, it's a mango, I will like to avoid it. I would like to avoid sweets. But I was seeing the diet. You see the diet of his, and you might be having the better paper also. All 3 meals is having fruits. Generally, if I'm a diabetic doctor is over here, they will avoid alus. If you see the diet of Arvind Kejriwal, since almost every second day, he's getting an aloo. If you are diabetic and your sugar level is going up to 300, you try to avoid it yourself. But when you are getting a food from your home, you're not getting food from Tihar jail, you're getting a food from home. It's a serious question on the intention. The intention are 2 things. One is to show them a deliberate attempt to show a bechara politics is going on. I am the bechara, a vendetta politics is going on. It's a deliberate attempt of going that. Secondly, there's a deliberate attempt for one thing to get him out of the bail on the medical ground. To show them, look, this is his report. Since last 12, 15, 30 days, his sugar level has gone up. Either he should be admitted in the hospital or should have granted a medical bail. What clearly shows this picture of all this happening is is getting these kind of two intentions. What is happening? So my only we are worried about the Arvind Kejriwal's health. We will also wish his health should be improved. लंबी उम्र हो उनकी, but the intention is to get him out from the jail.
But Mr. Khurana, if you want that unki lambi umar ho and if you wish him all the very best in terms of health, can I please ask you then why is the ED opposing two simple requests that the Delhi Chief Minister has? A, mujhe insulin de do, and B, very importantly, I have a personal doctor who looks after me and who's just, by the way, the person who has given me the diet chart. Let me consult my doctor for 15 minutes every day via VC. I don't want to meet him face to face if you have a problem. Via video consultation, let me meet him for 15 minutes. Usko bhi kya oppose karne ki zarurat hai?
Shreya.
This too is targeting, na, Mr. Khurana?
No, Shreya, two things. Nobody is opposing to give them the insulin. Nobody is given. Who said he will oppose it? Nobody is opposing that. This is a sheer showing of bechara politics that हम तो बेचारे हैं, हमारे साथ vendetta हो रही है. Please understand that thing. Also, आप अगर देखो, Shreya, we should understand. I am also a diabetic. I will, अगर जिस दिन मेरी sugar 150 होती है ना fasting, I will avoid these fruits. Why are you taking it here? अगर आपकी diet में आता भी है, why are you taking it? Why are you taking fruits? Why are you taking mango? Why are you taking bananas? Point number one. Point number two.
अरे भाई वो तो बोल रहे हैं ना मैं रोज मैंगोज नहीं खा रहा हूँ. That आप लोग माहौल बना रहे हैं. हरीश खुराना जी, the allegation against you, the BJP is आप लोग माहौल बनाते हैं.
I'm not talking only mangoes, ma'am.
बात होती कुछ है और आप बताते कुछ है. अच्छा ठीक है. Can I let Abhishek Sudhir come in? He's speaking on behalf of the Aam Aadmi Party. He wants to say something as well.
10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds more, please. 10 seconds more.
बोलिए.
See, this is not about only mangoes. If you see his diet plan, all the three meals is containing fruits, whether it's banana, whether it's mango, whether other fruit. अरे diabetic हूँ भाई, fruit avoid होता है. Point number one. Point number two, you are saying कि हमें doctors नहीं दिए जा रहे. Already 2 doctors have been given to you for 24 hours check to you. Why you need a special treatment? It's about a special treatment has to be given. Point is, AIMS के doctor आपको देख रहे हैं.
अभिषेक
तिहाड़ के डॉक्टर आपको देख रहे हैं. Why you need a special treatment?
Okay. Okay, let me give you some facts and figures. As I'm a lawyer, I'll give you the facts. It's 48 meals actually, Shreya, not 48 days. He's been in jail for less than a month. Yes. So Arvind Kejriwal has had 48 meals, and in those 48 meals, right, he had a mango in 3 of the meals. That is, you can ask Dr. Tyagi, every 16 meals once he's had a mango, which means, and the last mango that Arvind Kejriwal had was on April 8th. And the first blood sugar test was on April 11th. Now, if you've consumed a mango on April 8th, Dr. Tyagi will tell you, I'm diabetic too, all a panel of diabetics here, clearly, right? April 11th is the blood sugar test. A mango on April 8th is not going to have an impact on your blood sugar on April 11th. The single most important factor that is leading Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's sugar levels to spike is the denial of insulin. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal takes 54 grams of insulin a day. Type 2 diabetic, has been diabetic for 3 decades. His diabetes was a major issue when he was fasting during the India Against Corruption movement. The news media covered that as well. And he was a hero back then, remember? So everyone was worried about his health, right? So he's a diabetic. You're denying insulin. There's a recent case filed against the ED, okay? Amardeep Singh Dhal, he's a businessman in Delhi, arrested, went before the Delhi High Court and said that he was not receiving the medicines that would help him lead a healthy life in jail. The Delhi High Court directed, well, Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, to set up a committee and said that the medical health of prisoners is not obliterated simply because they have been denied bail or they have been convicted. Mr. Kejriwal is under trial prisoner, so he has rights that are higher and greater rights than those who have been convicted. He's an under trial prisoner. He's innocent until proven guilty. When you deny a diabetes patient insulin, you are denying him the right to life. That is an Article 21 violation. So when Atishi says that they are trying to kill Arvind Kejriwal, it is not hyperbole. Atishi is not engaging in sensationalism. Denial of insulin to a diabetic patient is nothing short of a death sentence. Hypoglycemia, right, Shreya? You would have heard of hypoglycemia. Your patients would have heard of hypoglycemia. Over 40% of Indians are diabetic. You have a hypoglycemic attack. It could lead to a stroke. It could lead to paralysis. And the man is isolated in Tihar jail. Maybe you don't even get to him in time. The man is isolated. You're denying him insulin. Today, Shreya, the ED's lawyers, not once did they counter Abhishek Manu Singhvi in court, saying that we are providing him insulin. The easiest thing to do is we are providing him insulin. They aren't providing him,
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
They are not, and LG has said, I am constituting a probe. He has directed DG Prisons, who answers to him, VK Saxena, LG. I am constituting a probe to ascertain whether insulin is being provided. अरे भाई probe की जरूरत क्या है? Call DG Prison, say, are you giving insulin to Arvind Kejriwal or not? So if instituting a probe, that means insulin should be granted. Insulin is a life-saving drug. It's a miracle drug. If we didn't have insulin, most diabetics, the lifespan would have been short. You can ask Dr. Tyagi. Shreya, I want you to ask Dr. Tyagi on the behalf of AAP.
Okay.
Denial of insulin, is that not a basic violation?
Dr. Tyagi, 20 seconds, yes or no?
Definitely. I mean, nobody should be denied insulin. In fact, one of the great achievements of modern medicine is that we have been able to provide insulin to the poorest of the people. So definitely it's a violation.
Okay. Harish Khurana, I'm out of time. I have Mr. Chidambaram to interview after this. I can give you 10 seconds to have the last
So
word.
nobody has denied the insulin to him. Point number one. Point number two.
अरे
This is a serious. आप कहो कि जेल में हमारा वजन कम हो रहा है, जेल में वजन बढ़ता है आपका. अब last year also मनीष सिसोदिया हमारे मामले के
इंसुलिन नहीं दिया जा रहा है सर.
खुराना जी, मामला गड़बड़ है. चलिए, मामला गड़बड़ है. मंडे को we will know what the court does. And Monday को we'll do more bets.
आम कारनामे हो रहे हैं.
आप खाइए आम. आप भी मत खाइए actually आम. Given that you are
I want
diabetic.
to know when did you last have a mango. He should tell us when did you, Mr. Khurana, last have a
This
mango.
is what we've come down to. Now, this is what we've come to. We'll leave it there for the moment. Harish ji, Harish ji, good night. Good night. Be well. Abhishek Sudhir, thank you very much for coming. And Dr. Puru Tyagi, thank you very much as well.